Hey guys, this is the easyCover for Canon M50. I got this from Amazon. The only color that was available was black. And this is supposed to be a silicone cover, so I got this from Amazon and I will keep the link in the description below. And let's see what's inside. The packaging is very rigid plastic cover, and inside we find the silicone cover itself with a weather sealed bag, and that's the only thing that we get. There are some pockets, let's see. Nothing. So yeah, so this is basically it. This packaging does not serve any purpose anymore. And we have the silicone cover. Let's open this. Inside this packaging we get the silicone cover itself for the Canon M50. I will show you how this will fit into my camera, and also we get a protective cover for the camera screen, and this is really nice. They really have thought through this. We get a microfiber cloth as well as screen protector, and the first feel of this silicone cover is very good. It's very rigid and does not have any signs of tearing it up, even though this silicone seems a bit very thin, but as you can see it seems very rigid. And there is an opening for the viewfinder and the lens, also the timer and flashlights, and the lens mount button here, and the functions key, and the back you can see all these buttons. Only the dial is having a hole, and the other buttons and the display you can see here. First impressions, this is really good, and you also can see the hole for the HDMI port and for the strap hinges, and especially we get this part where it goes through the flasher, so you can easily cover the flasher slot or the microphone slot where you attach the microphone or the flash without even the inbuilt one. This one, I'm sorry, I don't know what the name for this. And let's see how well this fits. So we have the easyCover here, the silicone easyCover. So let me put this into my camera. I think I have to get rid of these ones first. Let me do that. Okay, let's put this on. So you might feel that this might tear apart, but trust me, this looks way stronger. This is way stronger than it looks. Okay, there you go. So this fits perfectly well, way better than I expected. So you can see now it has an opening for the lens, and it has also for the focus light, and for the lens dismount, and the shutter button, the video record button, the dial, functions dial, and the switch on off, and these buttons are opened, but these 5 buttons are not open, and they are covered by the buttons or other clickable buttons in this cover itself. And you can, without a problem, you can open and rotate the screen, but see that this is a bit shrunken inside, so you might feel a bit of a trouble when clicking these buttons. but I think you eventually will get used to this. But it feels a bit hard to reach the buttons way inside the silicone cover. And you get an opening for the microphone and for the tripod mount and the battery case and the HDMI out. And the grip, surprisingly the grip feels very good compared to the one that has inbuilt in the camera, but this one looks really good. And yeah, now I feel more confident because the DSLRs, you have a better grip than M50 because M50 is a smaller camera, but this looks really good. I mean, now I feel that I'm holding into it, and these lines, it makes sure that I have a firm grip. And one thing to note here is that it has a small piece to go inside the flasher or the microphone slot. So let me install that as well, see how well it works. It does not cover the entire slot, but I think it does a pretty good job. And yeah, you have a cover for the viewfinder. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. And yeah, I mean, I can feel this should be covering the slight drops that you make. And please don't drop your camera anyway, but I think this will help your camera be safe for slight drops and bumps. Still, it does not cover the lens, so yeah, but the camera, yeah, it does cover a huge portion of the camera. Yeah, I think I probably will keep this and use it. You remember I got a display screen protector for the screen here, but anyway, I already have one, so I will not use this for the moment. But have to say, first impressions and the feel is really good. I will put the link in the description where you can buy this from Amazon, and it's not very expensive as well. And I think it will be a big deal compared to the price that you are paying, and it will really help your camera to be safe. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.